Hey guys, we're on our way to Red Rock Park.
Red Rock Canyon
Park with special guest.
Hello.
It's our friend Andrew, all the way from Kentucky. We're going here because this place is his lucky charm for some gambling later. So,
yes. Gotta get that gold coin though.
Let's go explore.
Woohoo!
How's my hair? Disgusting.
It's
Perfect.
gorgeous.
How's Joe's hair?
Pretty good.
How's it look?
Sweet beard
Still
action.
just on there.
First stop is the visitor center.
Visiting the center right now.
AK got a lucky gold coin here on his last trip to Vegas to visit us. And he won some money gambling after, so
Eat something.
he's hoping that luck will strike twice.
Be Nick Papa Giorgio.
Now that we're inside, as soon as you walk inside the visitor center, on the left-hand side is an awesome gift shop where you can pick up trinkets that you can't find anywhere else. And then on the right-hand side, they have different exhibits that get swapped out. Sometimes you'll get to play with different insects that are native to the area, or in this case, they have a cool local residency for artists here. When you're in the visitor center, you can actually come to their outdoor exhibits. Their outdoor exhibits are really cool. Not only are they beautiful, but they also showcase more of the native landscape, so then you get to learn more about it and the creatures that live here. There's even some desert tortoises here too.
One of the last times we were here, we got to see a tarantula hanging up on the wall.
Oh yeah. So sometimes things that aren't even part of the exhibits are here. Just look at how beautiful this is, and you can learn all about the plants that live here and like bushes. I mean, look at that view. Here you can learn about the differences between boy and girl tortoises. I still don't know which one's which. Males have larger gular horns. This is the male. This is the female, but this is about how big they are. They can get bigger than that, though, depending on how long they live.
He's on the move. That's it. That's it. I feel the luck coursing through my body.
Oh.
So lucky.
I'm hoping. I'm gonna need the power of Roxy the turtle.
Look, I got air coming out my butt. Absolute favorite part of the entire visitor center is the platform I'm currently standing on, because it gives you a complete 360-degree vantage point of the entire park before you even do the loop that we'll be doing next after we leave here. in the garage pull after this, guys. First stop on the scenic loop at Red Rock stops you right here for some sweet photo op opportunities. As you can see, there are people walking down there to get on one big rock, but there's a ton of them. And you really can't tell how big the rocks are until you zoom in on an individual person climbing the rocks, which we'll see if we can see any of those people today. I doubt it because it's a million degrees outside. Right there, down there, is the sweet photo opportunity that everybody walks down here for. It's overrated.
David Bowie wrote a song called Life on Mars. I feel like it'd be like this, except I didn't think my butthole would be so sweaty.
Maybe that's in like the liner notes of the album.
Yeah, it's subliminal messaging underneath. He says, life on Mars, butthole will be sweaty. Starman knew what he was talking about.
If you're a hiker, which we're not, but if you're a hiker, this is a great place to go hiking. They have various maps. There's a trail that actually goes around this entire rock that's red right here.
Yeah, bro.
There's other rocks you'll see that are white, so I want to make sure I'm pointing out that one. There's a trail that goes all the way around that. Me and Joe will not be doing that because we've climbed all the way to the bottom of this.
Yep.
It's okay.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, that whiff of pee. Ooh. Ooh.
Don't eat a big breakfast.
There's toilets here. What are we about to go see, Joe?
We're gonna see some petroglyphs. It's been here for thousands of years. Little handprints, little baby creatures.
Spirit
Joe should be everyone's tour guide. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed our trip to Red Rock Canyon.
Gotta stop by the next time you're in Vegas. But if not, I'd rather come here than the casinos.
Yeah, it's definitely peaceful and different than any other landscape you'll see in the country. We'll link all the information below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, be sure to tell us. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe.
Bye.